Hey guys, John, Vaporonic Technologies here, blasting on a dirt bike cylinder head. I wanted to point out a couple things to you guys. Removing carbon, not a huge issue. This carbon was not very thick and very baked on like I've seen in the past. So it came off rather quickly and easily, but we can remove carbon in a Vaporonic system. Second thing, sealing surfaces. Is it safe on sealing surfaces? As you can see here, we've blasted this half of the part and you can still see some of the machining marks on the part. So we're not removing the material. It's not damaging this sealing surfaces over here that's been unblasted, but we're not rolling and eliminating edges on the part. So it's going to properly seal back and be put back into to use. But on the top side here, half of the part was blasted. Obviously, you guys can tell the difference between the two sections, but this is something that is completely doable in a home shop, small business, large business. If you're remanufacturing, restoring, rebuilding, or an everyday mechanic who needs a very quick ability to clean parts, a vapor honing solution fits your needs. Give us a call, shoot us an email. We're always here and happy to help. We can help spec a piece of equipment and create a process around what your needs are, and you can actually achieve results like this straight out of the box with a process from Vaporonic Technologies. So sales team's here, happy to help. And as always, if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button below for daily and weekly updates. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care.